Hi everyone, I'm Susie Pallett, President of Black Hat, and I'm really excited to talk with you today about Black Hat USA 2026. We're less than 2 months out now. The event runs August 1st through 6th at Mandalay Bay in Las Vegas, and honestly, this is shaping up to be our most dynamic year yet. I'm joined by two people who've been instrumental in building this year's experience. Steve Oldenburg, our Vice President of Events, and Laura Stebbing, our Vice President of Content. We wanted to have a real conversation with you about what makes this year special, because when you're choosing where to invest your time and resources, you deserve to know exactly what you're walking into. For 29 years, Black Hat has been the place where the cybersecurity community does its most consequential work. And this year, we're continuing to bring you brand new research, cutting edge training, and some really innovative programming that reflects where the industry is right now, not where it was last year or the year before. Steve, when someone registers for Black Hat, what's that experience actually like from the moment they commit to joining us?
Susie, I think what people don't always realize is that your Black Hat experience really starts the moment you register. You're not just buying a pass, you're becoming part of a community of over 20,000 practitioners, researchers, and decision makers who are all coming together with the same goal, and that's to stay one step ahead. When you arrive in Las Vegas, you're walking into the most technically rigorous event in cybersecurity. There's an energy to it. And that's hard to describe until you've experienced it. People come ready to learn, ready to challenge assumptions, and ready to connect with peers who understand the work they're doing. Our trainings is where so many people start their Black Hat week. They run for 4 full days, and we have over 100 expert-led courses this year. But here's what makes them different. These aren't lectures. They're hyper-relevant, hands-on experiences where you're actually practicing techniques you can deploy when you get back to your desk. Every instructor we bring in has used these techniques in live environments. They've been in the trenches. So you're not just learning theory, you're building real deployable skills under the guidance of people who've actually done the work. And this year, we've significantly expanded our AI security training track. The threat landscape is shifting fast, and your capabilities need to shift with it. We're focusing courses on securing LLMs, defending against autonomous agents, building detection pipelines that work at machine speed. All the things that are keeping practitioners up at night right now.
It's such an important point, Steve, and really segues, I suppose, neatly to the research we're featuring this year. It's not just recycled content or vendor pitches, it's what's happening right now in the field.
Exactly. And that brings us to briefings, which really are at the heart of the Black Hat experience.
Exactly.
Briefings run August 5th and 6th, and we're featuring over 100 peer-reviewed research presentations. This is where the community discovers emerging threats before they hit vendor white papers or mainstream press. And what I really love about our process is that every single briefing is selected by an independent review board. So not sponsors, not by us. That rigor is why practitioners keep coming back year after year. They trust what they're hearing on a Black Hat stage has been vetted and it's worth their time. This year's agenda, I have to say, is incredible. We're covering everything from AI agentic exploitation to post-quantum cryptography, supply chain attacks, next-gen detection engineering, and the research you'll hear doesn't exist in published form yet. You're getting it first.
And the questions I love in these environments are from the audience as well, which are just as sharp as the research itself, right?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I mean, some of the best learning happens in the Q&A. I'm really excited about a few Q&As this year. There's one that's the AI and Future of Cyber Defense, a panel hosted by Michael Solmeyer from Georgetown and Katie Masuris, CEO of Luta Security. There's also the good, the bad, and the ugly of AI security with Fred Hiding from Harvard Kennedy School and Chris Inglis, of course, the former US National Cyber Director. And Yotam Maita from Wiz is presenting the crypto caper, exposing a sophisticated multi-cloud bandit. These really are the conversations that matter right now.
Yeah, and if you have a briefings pass, you also get access to something brand new this year, which we're really excited. It's a feature on our business hall floor called The Interface. And this is an immersive space designed to turn passive observation into active learning. We're talking hands-on demos, scenario-based learning, live challenges, expert-led sessions. It's about getting your hands dirty and really engaging with the material.
I love that we're creating more of those opportunities for people to actually do the work. So not just watch the presentations, but just do the work as well.
Exactly. And speaking of hands-on, let's talk about the business hall, because this year we've extended the hours and added some exciting features. So this year the business hall opens Tuesday, August 4th at 4 p.m. and will run through Thursday, August 6th at 4 p.m. What makes it special is the practitioners that walking around the floor are coming straight out of our briefings and trainings. They know what questions to ask. They know what works and what doesn't. Our 400 plus sponsors and exhibitors we have this year represent the top tier tools and solutions that actually hold up against the practitioner scrutiny.
That is such a good point, Steve. It's really not just vendor exposure, it's evaluation as you go through it.
Absolutely correct. And we've added some new spaces this year and new features that I'm thrilled to share with you today. The Convergence is a workspace and networking area right in the middle of the business hall where practitioners can come and compare notes between sessions, connect with peers on similar problems, and access career support from industry leaders. We've also expanded our AI zone, which features early stage companies building the next generation of AI security tools, and Startup City. That's where you'll see the companies that are about to change the market. So if you want hands-on proof of concept, Arsenal is where our researchers demonstrate open source tools live in real time without any vendor polish. We have 89 in-person tool demonstrations in addition to 20 dedicated Arsenal lab sessions. Arsenal is where the community comes together to demonstrate capability, not just vendors demonstrating product.
And rumor has it that our NOC will have a sibling this year.
Yes, so you're letting the cat out of the bag. That is true. Our Black Hat NOC, our Network Operations Center, we're adding a new feature to our floor called the NOC Outpost. So this will give our attendees additional time to come and connect with our fantastic folks who help run our secure and reliable network. So as we're going through and you're walking the floor, make sure you go to the NOC Outpost. There's going to be an interesting feature there where you can really learn about how to keep yourself safe and protected on our Black network.
Love that.
So much going on. Laura, we also have summits this year. I got excited about our NOC Outpost, which I know you and your team have been working on. Tell us more about those.
Yes, they are really exciting too. So summits are running all day, Tuesday, August 4th, and we have 6 confirmed programs. The CISO Summit, obviously long-standing, the AI Summit, Innovators and Investors Summit, the Financial Threat Summit, our Healthcare Summit, and the Omdia Analyst Summit. So we've got a lot going on. And the thing about these is that they're not just general breakout sessions, they're full-day, domain-specific programs designed for practitioners and executives with that real deep focus in particular areas. So if you're a CISO, the CISO Summit is where you really go to benchmark your security posture against the best in the field. Or if you're building an AI security strategy, the AI Summit is where you pressure test your assumptions with people that are doing that very same work with you. So the summits are really valuable because of who's in the room and the room itself. You're not in a general conference audience at all. You're with peers who understand the specific challenges you're facing.
And I believe we're bringing the Cyber War Forum to Las Vegas as well.
We are. So after a really successful launch at the Cyber War Connect Europe in June, we're bringing Black Hat's Cyber Warfare Forum series to Las Vegas. And this is really an exclusive space for senior cybersecurity leaders to address nation-state campaigns, AI-enabled operations, critical infrastructure resilience, information operations, and the legal and policy frameworks that are shaping modern conflict. And of course, it's all under Chatham House rules.
You know, I think beyond all the technical programming, which we're known for, Black Hat really, though, is about the community. And this year we've built in some moments that I think our attendees and people who are from the community are going to love. We already mentioned Arsenal Labs, 20 dedicated sessions where you can go hands-on with tools demonstrated in Arsenal, but we also have the drone zone, which is where hacking literally takes flight. It's a hands-on cyber physical security environment focused on autonomous systems, drones, robotics, sensors, machine-driven decision-making. You can observe, experiment, and participate in real-world scenarios in a controlled environment. Also new is our cyber district, a dedicated space for networking, collaboration, and those conversations that happen when you step away from the main stage.
And linked to that, we also have the Black Hat Bar. Why don't you tell them about that?
Yes, super excited to let people know about our Black Hat Bar and cafes throughout the venue, because honestly, some of the best conversations happen over coffee, sometimes drinks, and not just in a session room, right? There's something really special. On Wednesday night, we're also premiering Midnight in the War Room, a documentary that takes you inside real-world response to a major cyber incident. It's powerful storytelling that I think will resonate with everyone.
100%.
It's going to be amazing. And of course, we can't forget our keynotes and love notes.
Exactly.
So keynotes is where we set the tone, we introduce the big ideas, the emerging threats, and really those questions that the industry needs to be asking. Lock notes close the show on Thursday afternoon. It's where we reflect on what we've learned, what surprised us, and what the community really needs to take forward when they leave Black Hat.
I want to build a little bit on what Steve-O was saying about in terms of the community. So really highlighting the community building moments we've intensely designed this year as well. If this is your first Black Hat, we have a first timers welcome reception just for you.
Yep,
this way you'll meet people who've been coming for years. And I think, Steve, they'll tell you what to prioritize, what not to miss, how to make the most of your week. We're also really proud to launch Black Hat Her this year, a networking initiative to give voice and create space for women in cybersecurity. And this is where we will celebrate the women lead in the field and having the conversations that really do need to happen.
Yeah, and those conversations, community conversations, are happening at the Convergence. As we mentioned, it's a new space on the floor. And those conversations are going to be open forums where the community debates the issues that matter. No panels, no presentations, just practitioners talking to practitioners.
I think throughout the week, there are Ask Me Anything, networking receptions, and those spontaneous conversations that happen when more than 20,000 people who care deeply about the same things are all in the same place. We're lucky we know the magic of Black Hat, but here's the thing for you. Black Hat USA 2026 is the event that matters. When you're making decisions about where to invest your time, your energy, your professional development, this is it. And we're just weeks away. So regular race registration pricing is active through July 17th, and then the prices do go up. But if you're serious about staying ahead, which we know you all are, this is where you need to be. You can register at blackhat.com. We definitely can't wait to see you in Las Vegas.
See you there, everyone.
Looking forward to it.